Hello, I've been curious if the ZP2 fire alarm panel can simultaneously connect to the ATS software as well as a Modbus interface. So what I've done is I've lined up the ATS software and it's connected currently. It's the same setup as we've done in the previous videos. And I've got this Modbus tool. I'll put a link in the description below. Please support these guys. And I've got all the settings set up as per the document, the protocol document from carrier. Currently, what I've got is the whole IT system is linked, it's live, and I've already set up the Modbus PAK into the ZP2 panel. The way to do that I'll add to the end of this video. For now, we've got this address that's on the 700 range, the hex 700 range, which means that is device orientated. So this will be device 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you can see a device 4, this sounder is in fault. So if I connect, we can immediately, it's in fault. So we connect it here. There's no errors and it's running and it's in fault. The question is now, what will happen if I reset on this side? Now I do have an issue with my ATS software, which I'll need to reinstall sometime. But let's see if it works. It might come up with an error here. So my panel is resetting. That reset it on this side. And the panel has reset on this side. You should be able to hear the beeping as well. So we mute the buzzer. I'll give it a few seconds for the panel to pick up this device again, and it should on both sides go into fault. Okay, then my panel goes into fault on this device and same on this side. So let's just mute the buzzer again. I will also now activate the fire alarm on my call point. So 1001, that should be this one here as well. So that is immediate. It's actually much faster than my fire alarm. And it's all fun is happening here. I wonder why. And we've got the fire alarm on the entrance. So let's mute the buzzer here. And I should be able to reset again. Okay, this is internal gateway issue on my laptop. So we can just mute the buzzer again. We got no issues here, and we also have no issues on this side. Now what I want to do now is, again, if once it comes back, I'll trigger the fire alarm again, and I'm going to send a reset signal from my Modbus side to see if it's working. Now, to send a signal on the Modbus side, it's address 0 or address 1, but this is one less on a single register. That came back. Just waiting for it to come back on this side. Mute buzzer. ATS is slightly slower at the moment. Here it comes back. And let's activate the fire alarm again. And we've got fire, and this time it was quite fast. And we've got the fire on that side. Now we should be able to reset from this side by writing to a single register at address 0. And I've got reset this side. We just need to disconnect. And let's see what happens on this side. Sorry. So this now should clear out. And yes, it cleared out. So I can just silence the buzzer. I'm just copying this code here. And I picked 4 last time around. And there's an error. Oh, not 41, sorry, 4. And there it works. Go back this side, just want to silence my panel. So it seems to me that you are able to connect both your Modbus and your ATS software to the same fire alarm panel. That should be possible because your Modbus runs on 502, if we go here. So this is my IP and runs on port 502. And on this side, it runs on, let's just bring this in, 3505. So we use different ports. Let's silence this thing. It used different ports, so it should be able to do it. And we've proven that it does work. One thing to note is that the byte order is in reverse for Modbus. This is one thing that caught me out. So your byte order is always in reverse order.